Hey guys, welcome to iToolab. Today we will teach you how to download and transfer WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone. First, download iToolab WatsGo to your computer and initiate it. You can find the download link in the description below. Then choose Restore WhatsApp Backup from Google Drive. Sign into Google account that has backed up your WhatsApp. After that, verify the account on your device according to the requirement. Now you can view all WhatsApp backups that have related to the Google account. Just choose one backup to download. WatsGo starts to download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. Then the program will verify Google account, and you need to enter a 64-bit encrypted password if enable encrypted backup. WhatsApp backup has been downloaded successfully. Click the Restore to Device button. Connect your iPhone to the computer and click Restore to continue. Select WhatsApp data to restore. Text messages are restored by default. Now, wait for the data to be restored. Watch out for your iPhone and it will be restarted again. And you can check all WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Go to iToolab.com to explore more and don't forget to subscribe to us.